Riders, the riding season is almost upon us and you don't want your battery to be the weakest link in getting you out on the open road. In this video, we're going to show you how to keep your motorcycle's battery in tip-top shape so you can hit the road with confidence. Let's get started. Welcome back to Bikes in Detail, and if you're new here, welcome to our channel. The home for bikers wanting their machines to run and look the very best. First things first, it's important to remove any dirt or corrosion from the surface of the battery. Use a stiff bristled brush and a baking soda and water solution to gently scrub the surface of the battery. And don't worry, the baking soda won't hurt your battery, it's actually good for it. But, there's another way that you may not have heard of before. Using a battery cleaning spray, it will help you to remove the corrosion and grime from the battery. It is very effective and easy to use. Once the battery is clean, it's important to protect it from further corrosion. A good battery protectant will do the trick. Apply it to the terminals and other exposed metal parts of the battery. This will help to seal out moisture and dirt, making it more durable and long-lasting. It's also important to note that not all protectants are created equal. Make sure you choose one that is specifically designed for motorcycle batteries. Another way to protect your battery is by installing a battery cover. These are inexpensive and easy to install, and they'll keep dirt and debris away from your battery, prolonging its lifespan. It's a small investment that can pay off in the long run. But what if you've done all of this and your bike still won't start? How can you tell if it's the battery that's the problem? Well, there are a few signs to look out for. If your headlights are dim or you hear a clicking noise when you turn the key, it could be a sign that the battery is dead. Another way to diagnose a dead battery is to use a multimeter to check the voltage. If the reading is below 12 volts, then it's time for a new battery. And there you have it, folks. With a clean and protected battery, you'll be able to hit the open road and enjoy all the beautiful scenery, without worrying about your battery dying on you. So, don't let a dirty and corroded battery hold you back from your next adventure. Give your battery the care it needs and it will keep you going for the long haul. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful in keeping your motorcycle's battery in top condition. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your bike running smoothly. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks on maintaining your motorcycle. Your support helps us to continue to bring you informative and fun content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Happy riding, and we'll see you in the next one.